I've tried filming this so many times, but I cannot get myself to film it properly. Long story short, I left Paris. My ex and I broke up. I'm living in an apartment in Salt Lake City. I have a cat named Salem, and I'm in corporate America working in marketing for a luxury interior design company. Et voila, welcome to my Salt Lake City diaries. I got invited to an Amazon fashion influencer event. It's gonna be held at Grand America, which is like one of my favorite spots in Salt Lake. Going to events in Utah, it's always like, I don't know, it's like very 50-50 for me. I am hoping I know someone at this event, and if not, I hope it's like a chill event where I can meet people and not feel that like pressure that Utah naturally brings. I'm also getting ready a little bit early because I'm worried that my dress isn't gonna look good that I just got. And now for the lips, I actually have a lipstick addiction. I have a go-to combo that I love. It's the Rouge Velour. This one is in Helen. Then on top of that, I just go in with a Prada. This one, I don't even know the shade. That is the makeup look. I messed up so badly. This dress, way too big. Do you see that? It's like drowning me. My bra shows. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. Maybe I just have to free the nipple tonight. Definitely not the vibe. Also, I just decided like it's just too big. Like you can tell it just like doesn't fit that well. I fear I need to go off camera, spiral for a second to find an outfit, because do you think I own anything pink or red or lilac that is cocktail attire? Short answer is no. So be right back. Okay guys, I did it. I am wearing this red top that I originally got for Paris Fashion Week that I never wore, and then these red pants that are like flowy. Just decided, you know what, I shouldn't have to like dress what I think people should dress like in this event. I should just dress like what I'm comfortable in, and apparently that's covering my body head to toe. I wish I had a red bag so I could be like fully head to toe red, but I do not, so this bag is gonna have to do. Oh my god, I just found French cigarettes in this bag. Okay, but for real, like what do we think? Amazon rep that was at our table, she used to work for Laura Mercier, and she was the one who would send me products from Laura Mercier back in like 2018, 2019. Her and I just realized that like we used to work together, and honestly Laura Mercier holds a special place in my heart because they were one of the first brands that I ever worked with. So I am just forever grateful, and it was just like, I feel like the universe just like reminding me like, you've come so far and like, don't be afraid to be who you are. And it was just like a very tender moment. Time to take a shower and time to go to bed because it is 11 o'clock and I got corporate job tomorrow morning. So I gotta go to bed. Incredible! Incredible! We should order food. Yeah, eat this
Slams the door shut when I get tired again.
Oh, it's dead.
Plug it in! You've got two dead ones! You've got to take one or the other. This is brand new. It's literally plugged in.
I'll take this one.
This one I liked for years far.
Your hair looks so white right here. It's kind of scary. Like the way the lights. Stop. Do you like this? Is this what you wanted?
Good night, Grandma.
You can tell who doesn't go outside often. We have our.
Look at me. Help me. What do I do with this?
We are about to go up Snow Canyon. I've never been.
Never been.
I've never been. I'm not an outdoorsy girl. Yay! Bye!
As I go tumbling down the hill. Just kidding. She's so athletic. She hikes all the time.
Come sit up here.
I'm coming.
It wasn't that bad.
I'm coming.
Did you put it in?
Anyone have water?
We climbed up here. We did it.
We hiked.
We hiked.
miles today. Oh, I just hurt my knee.
Are you okay?
My knee gap.
Oh, I see.
Ow!
I got the dings.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Thank
no
you.
way.
Ouch,
We've been biking for an hour and 4 minutes. And we burned 500 calories.
No, the fuck we didn't.
Yeah.
No,
No,
our our button.
yes. Because it's my ring. So it tracks my heart rate.
Oh shit. I'll
Fuck
take
yeah.
that. That's like 5 busies.
How tall are you, by the way? 6'5". That's what's up. I wish I was tall. I'm a short guy.
So today is the day. It is a 12-hour Twilight marathon at the movie theaters. Who's he?
Oh god, how long were we in there for? This is the skin of a killer, Bella.
Oh, it's terrible up close. Ow!
But we look so glowy
you
and
see it?
dewy. Yeah, you can see it. It does look like dust.